this guy was struggling in the bay out here, and happened to see him and let him climb up on my boat. He has a messed up wing right now, so I'm not sure if we're gonna call somebody to get him down here to help him out, but he was definitely struggling. He's pretty close to shore, but we got him on. He seems happy now. So we're gonna shore him, I guess, and go talk to the people in the store. Calm down, buddy. You're okay. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. Alright, I don't want him to bite me. Okay, just stay right there. I'm gonna stop recording for a minute.